Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for this video is about a news item that has been controversial, that is the variety of milk, A1 quality and A2 quality. Let us have a brief understanding of this issue and the key prelims pointers from this video. So you know that milk has a lot of protein content, and proteins are made up of amino acids. It is very important to note that protein has a very important function in our metabolism, and therefore amino acids and proteins are called the building blocks of life. So casein is one such large protein group which is basically found in milk, and there has been a controversy about the two different kinds of proteins that are available in milk, the A1 quality and the A2 quality. So basically these are two forms of beta casein, which is again a subgroup of casein protein. So originally all the cows would produce only A2 protein. This is an important piece of information that you have to note. A2 variety is the only kind of protein that is produced in all the cows. However, over many years, both the varieties have been produced by cows. So another important information that you have to note is, also note an important point, that all the buffalo milk is actually A2 variety. So like we have already spoken, there is also A1 variety and A2 variety in cow milk. Sometimes cow's milk and A2 variety are used interchangeably, but we have to remember that all buffalo milk is only A2 variety. So what about the indigenous cows or India's Desi cow breeds? What kind of milk do they produce? So India's Desi cow breeds have a genetic makeup that yields milk that is high in A2. However, because of crossbreeding issues with foreign breeds like Jersey, there has been a mix up in genetic pool which has resulted in A1 production as well and reduction in A2. So the reason for recent controversy is the fact that there have been certain scientific journals which propose that prominence of this A1 beta casein protein over A2 could be a public health issue because it will lead to type 1 diabetes, autism, and increased risk of heart disease. Also, there were certain digestive issues which were mentioned. Now let us try to know more information through this question. Consider the following statements. FSSAI, which is the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, the food regulator, has validated this A1 A2 theory. Now this is a false information. Scientists in Indian regulatory body have struck down this theory because they could not see any possible correlation between the kind of protein and the alleged diseases. Second statement is, the European Food Standard Authority had agreed that there was a no cause and effect relationship between consuming A1 protein and the alleged illnesses. Again, they are right. Even European Food Standard authorities did not find any link between what is being told. So therefore only 2 is the option that is right, and therefore 2 only is the answer. Now for this question, please pause the video and post your answer in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. That's it for now.